Even though you might think that's a model, but it's not. It's the normal map doing the job.
Yeah, exactly. And we can see here at the face, really pops the character, and it makes it look really good. We'll be going through how to make some next-gen textures using Photoshop.
Yeah, and photo textures.
Yeah, of course, photo textures. Photo textures is the way to go. You can't really see where the face... So instead of looking where the face is right now, we're going to put... We're going... Yeah, we are going to make some color coding to see actually where the UV map is on the model. So first we're going to put some colors out. With just some simple red here.
Yeah.
And maybe some green. And there's not much colors left.
If you run out of colors, you can always use the grayscale.
Yeah, you can always use the grayscale, Bob.
Yeah.
And that actually works quite nice. Just to show you where I go. To make some great. We're going to save up this texture. Boss underscore. Now we're back. Now we're back inside of Maya. We're going to put this as a color. Just put it right on the color, and you shall see where it is. You can clearly see where the green is.
Yes.
The blue is. The other green is. It's not green. It's well. And the red on the back. Yeah. The face. You can look inside of here. Select the face. Oh, let me just select those. Not those. The face is at the end. Yeah, we can see here that the face is right over here. And next thing we're going to do is just put in some concrete textures.
Yeah.
And we have chosen this to cover up everything. And you can see now where the face, we have clearly marked where the face is, which makes it a lot more easier to make the face textures.
Yes.
All you need to do now is select this one, add a want color, and press the reload. And there you see, we have matched in face, and we have simple.
Yeah, it's the face now. It's really clear that we marked out that this area is not going to be very
concrete. Yes, we are going to put another color here to mark out the face, of course, and we are going to add some eyes here and mouth. Yeah. And next thing we're going to add, it's a little bit gray for my taste now, because concrete is gray. We had some colors inside of the concrete, but just to add, it doesn't have that much details. Yeah, details is always important. Yeah,
there's more detail, and as you can see, there's more yellow fields and more red, orange, that kind of stuff. We're gonna use this color as a variation to the gray concrete. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a Mac thing.
Yes, it is.
And since it's an overlay detail layer, what should we do? Yeah.
We're going to change this from normal down to overlay.
Yeah. Wow.
Bam! There we have. Now we have merged these together. We have one concrete textures and another rusty kind of
So
textures.
if you look closer now, these two layers have merged together. So.
Yeah. We're going to take a look at these textures and see how it responds to the character. Back inside of Maya, just press that and press reload. There we have.
Wow.
Some really nice.
That's some really nice color variations to the gray area.
Yeah, I think we're going to do two things with these textures now. In order to have a bit more details, I'm not quite happy. I want some more details in it, actually.
Okay, yeah, go ahead.
And this is a trick I've learned. When you're done with the textures, just take your whole image, Control A, Control Shift and Control C, and just paste it in there again. And now you can make this a lot smaller.
Yeah, that's a real nice trick for getting the details up again.
Yes, and you can start applicating these, and that will make a lot, and I mean a lot more textures. Texture detail, I'm sorry.
Yep.
Texture detail.
Now we're done.
Now we're done. We're going to save this out. First of all, we're going to merge these. No, we're not. We're just saving it out because some problems with overlays and merging, and we're not going to get into this. There we are. Back inside of Maya. Just press it here and press reload. There we have it.
Wow.
A lot more detail, and you can actually zoom in really nice, and you see the textures.
Yes.
Face looks a little bit cluttered, but he's a bird. Yeah, and in order to have the face look more photorealistic, we are going to use two famous actors.
Yes.
And we have been doing some work here in Photoshop.
Yes.
We have chosen Brad Pitt and Leonardo DiCaprio.
So, what are we going to do now?
Well, Bob, we're going to use these faces
Yes.
to put on our own character.
That's ingenious.
Yes, and why are you using two characters, Bob?
Because you could tell by looking at the model then that if you just use one face, you could say, "Ah, it's Brad Pitt," or "Wow, it's Leonardo DiCaprio."
And
But
we don't want that.
But if you merge these two, you will get a unique face that looks beautiful.
Yes, and that's what we're going to do now. We're just putting his face over another.
Yep.
Leonardo's face is over. Just hit overlay, and there we go.
Yeah, there's the two faces merged.
Yeah, and what we're going to do now is take this and get it over to our texture. And I must say it looks really good. And first of all, you can see we had the face on two sides here.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do now is actually split our face in two, of course.
Yes, of course.
Doing that, and there we go. First we need, of course, to resize it to fit in this little box here.
Yeah, as you've seen before, the little box there is the face.
Yes. There we go. And the face tends to become a little bit stretched. That doesn't mean it looks bad on the model.
No.
And we'll say this. And have a look inside of Maya on the face. Go back inside of Maya and reload the textures. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's all for me. That John Smith and
Bob Johnsson.
Thank you and bye bye.
Bye bye.